Till now, we have studied the political factors, the social factors, the physical factors that has affected the population density. Now we are going to study that how literacy is going to affect the population density. Now, even the literacy is an important attribute of population which influences the population directly. So, because of literacy or because of illiteracy also, the population or the density of the population is going to change. Now, factors like fertility, mortality, occupation and economic development depends on literacy. So, the fertility, the mortality, occupation and economic development is going to depend totally upon how well the country is developed, how the people have been literate in the country. In India, a person who can read and write is considered as literate with a proper understanding in any language. So, as you all know, there are many languages in India. So, in India, a person who can read the language, who can write any type of language and understand it properly is considered as literate. In developing countries, literacy rate and the level of education is different in male and female. Now, this is only in the case of developing countries, whereas in the developed countries, all male as well as females, they are well educated and the level or the literacy rate is also same, but it is totally different in developing countries. In developing countries, some of them are educated, some are not educated. So because of this, the rate and the level of education is different in male and female. The root cause of illiteracy in developing country is what? Large families and poverty, as they cannot spend that much money for the further studies. Because of large families, they cannot prefer to do all such educational techniques. Because of this, the developing countries are more backward than the developed countries. So ultimately, we can state that illiteracy is a curse to human development. But now it has been changed. Literacy is improving day by day. The level of literacy is different in rural and urban areas. Now, as you all know, rural areas, the people, they are still backward, whereas in urban areas, due to high society, high development, the urban areas are ahead of rural areas. Because of this, the literacy rate is totally stable in urban areas as compared to rural areas. The use of modern technologies like computer and other communication system has narrowed the gap between the rural and urban areas as well as developed and developing countries of the world. Now, because of education and because of the upgrade techniques and the use of computer and communication system, the gap which was more, the bridge or the gap which was more between the rural and urban areas has been reduced, whereas the gap between the developing and developed countries has also been reduced. Due to the increase in awareness in the people has also bridged the gap between the literate and illiterate. So because of awareness between the people, because of the importance of education among the people has also created a bridge between the gap of literate and illiterate people.